welcome back to Akshata's Recipes. Thank you so much for stopping by. Well, first of all, before I go ahead with today's recipe, I want to thank each and every one of you for your lovely comments on my Easter egg recipe. For those of you who haven't seen the recipe yet, I will be sure to leave a link down in the comments box below as well as in my description box. I have got such a lovely feedback even on Facebook. So many of you have been so kind and so generous with your lovely comments and words that I am really so happy that this Easter egg recipe helped all of you, because it's such an easy recipe, and once you start making it, you will never want to order Easter eggs or buy Easter eggs again. It's really simple, just a 3-ingredient recipe. So go and check out that recipe and make the Easter eggs this year, and you will see the joy that you will get out of it. So today's recipe is a recipe from my childhood, and my mom used to make this for me all the time, and it's called crumbed green fried chicken. And to make it healthy, I've used just a tablespoon of olive oil for frying this. And it's such an easy recipe that you can it gets ready very quickly, and you can have this all by itself with some ketchup at the side, or you can just stuff it into some lovely buttered hot pav, or some bun, or just have it with some dal and rice or some chicken curry and rice. It's such a versatile recipe and it gets ready so quickly. You're going to love this recipe. It's simple and very easy to make. So without much further ado, we'll go ahead and start with the recipe. But before that, let me remind you that if you like this recipe, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Please do subscribe to Akshata's Recipes by hitting the red subscribe button that you see just below this video. It's completely free, and once you have subscribed, please click the bell so you won't miss out any of the recipes that I post on my channel. So guys, let's get started with this lovely crumbed green fried chicken. you.